DEEBOT T20 OMNI from ECOVACS. Like no one else. Equipped with hot water mop washing, it dissolves oily stains and effectively removes odors with high temperature. OZMO Turbo 2.0 Rotating Mopping, scrubbing away coffee stains even after 72 hours. Okay, Eco, clean the living room. Okay, I'll come and clean now. The unrivaled auto lift mopping makes DEEBOT accommodate different carpets effortlessly. And the ultra-strong suction power of 6,000 PA substantially enhances cleanliness. TrueMapping 2.0 provides precise spatial detection and 6 minutes quickly mapping, while enhanced 3D map accurately maps out your home environment. TrueDetect 3D 3.0 makes DEEBOT avoid obstacles strategically with smooth cleaning. And the big capacity dust bag holds up to 75 days of dirt. DEEBOT T20 OMNI. Like no one else.